Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Budget with Soph. If you're new here, my name is Sophia. On my channel, I do budgeting, I do cash stuffing, we save our money, and we see where our money goes. So for today's video, we are cash stuffing our paycheck number 2 for January. So if you're interested in seeing where our money is going this week, these next 2 weeks, do go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and we'll get into the video. Alright, so for today we are doing sinking funds and we are doing our wallet. So let's get our wallet out because that's the first thing we usually do. Before we get into our wallet, we have our quote for today, January 29th. It says, "We think if we can fix ourselves, then we can fix our lives. But trouble comes to us all. God does not promise a problem-free existence. Instead, he offers unconditional love as a shelter for us, even on the most difficult days." So I feel like these quotes just mean so much to me, and it resonates to me so much. I feel like there must be some other people out there who, this would go towards. So that's why I keep doing this. If you guys don't like it, let me know in the comments. But if you do, I will continue. I do have it for the whole year, so I will continue posting it. And if you guys do like them, let me know if you want me to post it on the community tab, because I don't post every day, but I can post what this says every day. So if you guys like that, do let me know. But yeah, we have our wallet dividers, we have our cash, we have our sinking funds, but we don't need this right now, so we'll put this to the side and we'll get our cash tray and count how much money we'll be cash stuffing for this week. So for this week we have 50. Let's get our calculator. So we have 50. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have plus 180 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So we have $300 that will be cash stuffing today. But first we need to get into our budget notebook to see how much we will be cash stuffing for our wallet. And then we'll get into our sinking funds. So let's get our... So this is the last week that we will be putting for January. So we had week 4. This is what we had for everything. Let's go into our wallet to see what we have left over for the first 2 weeks of this paycheck. So let me just get my pen. Where is my... Okay. My black pen. So for groceries, we had nothing, so we spent nothing. Pet care, we had 20, we spent 20. Gas, we had, I believe, 30. Oh no, we had 10, so we spent 10, so we have 0. Household, we had 20. I just spent that, to be honest. I'm gonna let you guys know right now. I just spent the money right now, this $20, to get Jamaican food because that's what I wanted. So we have 0 for that. In beauty, we had 70 and 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. We have 70 left. We spent 0, so we have 70. Personal, we had 20. We spent the 20, so we have 0. Dining out, we had 52. I just spent $7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have $10 left. And we spent So 52 minus 10 equals, so we spent $42. I spent $7 just now to get my food, and we had 0, so we spent 0. So I'm gonna put this right here. So for our budget this week, we have $80 for groceries. Paycheck, we're getting 20. Gas, we're getting 40. I'm gonna put 40 here because we are going out of town. I'm actually driving up to New Hampshire. I still feel like this is not enough, so I'm just gonna put 50. I'm gonna put 50 for gas. Household is about to get 10. I'm gonna put 10. Beauty, I'm gonna put 20. Personal is going to get 20. Eating out is going to get 50. And miscellaneous will be getting 25. So that is how we are going to cash stuff our money for the last week of January. So let's get into our cash stuffing. So for groceries, we are going to get that 50, 60, 70, and 5. So 50, 60, 70, 75, and 80. $80 for groceries. For pet care, we are going to do 20. For gas, we are going to do 50. So 20, 40, 45, 50. Household is going to get 5, 10. Beauty is going to get 20, so 20, and then the money we had left. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, $90 in here. Personal is going to get 20. Dining out is going to get 50, so 20, 40, 45, 50. So how are you guys doing? And miscellaneous is going to get 25. I hope you guys are doing great for this week. This is it for our wallet. So I've been doing really good with not spending money, going out, buying random stuff that I don't need. So I'm very proud of myself for that. And I've been trying to just, lay low, save some money. Just trying to just better my life. There's a lot going on at work. Somebody recently just quit. Somebody recently just got fired. So I plan on leaving my job, but I haven't been able to do my test for my class that I took last year. So I've been waiting for that to happen before I actually leave. So that is what's been going on in my life. That is it for our budget binder. We are going to get into our sinking funds, and that is it for this video after this. So let's just get into our sinking funds. I love this new dashboard that I got from All Things Planned. It basically shows us what every envelope needs to get when it comes to our sinking funds. So birthday is going to get $5. We're going to put $5 in birthday. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20. That's the 4 weeks of January. So we can easily do a cash stuffing when we change our coins. Change our denominations. What is that called? It's not coming to me, but yeah, that's just what has been going on for me, and I'm just very excited for everything that's happening. So I'm just gonna do some changes right now because, as you can see, for Given we have $3, but I don't have any $3 based on what we had. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna put this 5, take this 5 and then put 1, 2, and 3 into gifts. I'm going to skip my savings, which is my no spend, because I don't have that money for this. I'll do this money for side hustle. Date night is supposed to get 10, 5, 10. I mean, emergency is gonna get 10. Date night we are going to skip. Travel, whoa. So it's supposed to be travel. So it's vacation. So it's supposed to be like this. I'm going based on how I have it on my thingy, on my dashboard. So figure, let me just change the order here. Vacation, which is travel, is going to get $2. It has a lot more money now since I just showed you guys all my binders that I had, my new binders. So that's the video you'll see before this one. And fun is supposed to get $10. 10. That's the rollover money too. So there's that. So we have 20, 40, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 62. $62 in fun. I am going to take out, because I'm traveling to Massachusetts, New Jersey, as I'm done doing this video, and Storm is going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is perfect. The perfect amount for cash stuffing for this, for my sinking fund. So we have 50, 70, 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 102. So we have $102 for pet care, which is for my cat, which is Storm, which is why it's named Storm here. So that is it for our cash stuffing for this video. Everything is just moving around and getting all crazy, but we are done and everything worked out for this video. I was very nervous about this because I've been getting paid very short, I feel like, for my paychecks, so I'm just like nervous about everything. But this is it for our video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is a quick video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.